Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I'll show you how to use storage on the phone. Can use pendrive and memory card and mouse if you want. And if it doesn't work, I'll show you how to fix it. That you can see a phone in my hand. This phone model is Vivo Y21. In order to connect OTG to the phone first, I need to take an OTG. Then the memory and the card reader need to connect the 12. Then in this pen drive, I will connect 12 again with OTG. Then I will put this OTG on my phone. I will wait for a while after installing it, but here I can see my OTG is not working. So I have to show now what I have to do if OTG doesn't work on your phone. Then if your phone doesn't work on OTG, for this first you have to find the option called settings. When finding settings option, then you have to click on settings. After click on settings, it will be presented with many options from here. Scroll down, you will see an option called Bluetooth and devices, and you'll see an option called Bluetooth and devices. Then you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. After click on it, you will see an option called OTG. I will just turn on that OTG connection option. As soon as I turn on the option, but my phone had OTG connection but got it right. And if you want to use the pen drive, now I just put the pen drive here and wait few seconds, scroll down, you'll see an option called Explore and Eject. Just click on Explore and select your files and click on just once. See my pen drive OTG files. And if you want to use the mouse now, I just put the mouse there and wait few seconds after installing it. But I can see my phone is mouse working. My phone is fully mouse working. So viewers, this phone basically have to turn on OTG connection option and solve your phone OTG not working problem. Finally, is Vivo Y21 phone. This phone is fully OTG supported phone. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.